All right, good morning, guys. We're out on the road, but I had seen this video like 2 days ago, and then a friend of mine sent it to me, and like wanted to get my opinion and show me what was going on. And so Houston Crosta had a car that was shipped enclosed. Driver was suspected to be under the influence of something. Ran through a stoplight, crashed the truck. The car, which was Houston's, was in the front position in the enclosed trailer, and it ended up coming through the front of the trailer, out the front, off the back of the truck that was hauling it, and completely demolished this thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch a little bit of the video, we're gonna pause it, and then I'm gonna point out a few things that I see that may have happened.
He was driving under the influence.
No.
Why this car? This is what you call a total loss. What the?
So first of all, I know this flatbed that recovered this vehicle is not a part of the problem, but the strap job that is on this car is not providing any leverage forward or backward for like rolling resistance. So it's really just providing side-to-side stabilization, or for lateral movement on that trailer, which isn't the proper way to strap something down. But we can't fault this guy because he was just the one recovering this vehicle, and he's not the one that we should be upset with in this video.
Why this car? Literally, why? Of all the cars, fuck up every car I have. Just this is the only one you want to fuck up? Holy shit. Got to be kidding me. Albert, is the key inside of it? Because they said they couldn't find the key. I had hope that this was going to be fixable. I really did.
Oh, you're totaled.
I really did. My God, man. This car is irreplaceable. I spent like $150,000 modifying this car. It's literally irreplaceable. Awesome. Awesome build. It's my favorite one. This is on its way back from Eurocharged. It did not come from this trailer. I think it was also a gooseneck trailer. And the guy, he drove through the intersection and he flipped the truck. The trailer flipped over and this car came in and just obviously got all damaged right there, and the whole side of the car, it came out. The freaking worst thing.
Okay, so a thing to point out here is that trailer is probably close to the same trailer that I have, but a little smaller as far as height, and less escape doors, it looks like. But that trailer was being pulled with a single rear wheel trailer. It was loaded with that Mercedes, which is heavy, which is in the front, and then a Chevy HHR in the rear, which is lighter. So I know from experience towing that size trailer with a single rear wheel truck, they are very unstable. I hauled mine empty and then put one car in it just because I had my family with me to go pick up a car, and needed to be able to put the kid's seat in, and it was very unstable. So chances are when this guy started having an issue as far as if he jerked the wheel, that's when that trailer is going to get real wobbly, and that's when things go bad quick. So I'll be interested to see what the report comes out about this guy, as if he was under the influence or what may have happened, because this is probably, Houston says in the video that he has $150,000 worth of modifications to that car. Not that insurance is going to pay all that, but this guy probably only has $100,000 worth of coverage. So Houston's going to probably end up having to, eat $150,000, $200,000 out of his own pocket for something like this. Now, I can't really fault Houston for this issue, because I'm sure he's not sitting down on Central Dispatch and listing these cars and vetting who's hauling them. It's probably gone through a broker, and I know of one broker that has shipped a lot of cars for these supercar and hypercar owners, and he's a scumbag, to say the least. He owes us money, and they just pretty much use any fly-by-night company, which is not the right way to do. It's disgusting, because these guys are out here running illegal under someone else's DOT number, no insurance, and then when something like this happens, they just close up shop and then go open another company in someone else's name in another town and just act like nothing ever happened. But I wanted to show you guys this video because I try to react to all these, because I watch all these supercar and hypercar owners, and there's always something going on with these guys. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one.